Well, your credit score plays a role in many things, from buying a home to even getting a student loan.
It even plays a role in getting car insurance. It affects millions of consumers. So how is your credit score determined? Good question. John Lauritsen looked into this for us. He joins us right now. So what did you find out?
Well, we talk about credit scores as something often people don't think about until they absolutely need it. But what you do in your day-to-day life can have a big impact on your score and your flexibility as a consumer. What's a good credit score, do you think?
I think something above 759, maybe.
A credit score is something that can drop very quickly. It's much harder to build it up.
What will they see when they look at it?
Hope it's good.
When you make a purchase, it registers through credit bureaus. Each of them has a FICO score for you.
I think it's 823.
That's something to brag about, isn't it?
850 is the highest score you can get. The credit score is basically a way for potential lenders to determine how risky it would be to give you a loan. So naturally, making timely payments is a must.
Credit cards, bills.
Missing payments on student loans, car loans, mortgages, and credit cards can make all the difference.
Overextending yourself, starting up a lot of credit cards.
A late payment or two could drop your score by more than 100 points. Experts say a consumer myth is that checking your credit score online will drop it. But it won't, because the government gives you that right. It's the same if you're checking for car insurance purposes.
Your credit score is affected when you inquire about a lending opportunity, however, like when you apply for a credit card. When you do that, you can lose between 3 to 15 points. The worst thing you can do to your score is declare bankruptcy. You can lose up to 240 points. 1/3 of all Americans have a credit score below 620, which is lower than the standard FHA lending requirement. Good news, though, the Twin Cities is actually in the top 5 in average credit scores, so we're doing pretty well here compared to the national ranks.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Complicated.
It is very complex, yes.
All right. Thank you, John.
You bet.
And if you have a good question for John, please email it by going to WCCO.com/links.